this is how to send a GIF or how to get a GIF on WhatsApp. Go ahead and open your WhatsApp chat. When you open your WhatsApp chat, click on the keyboard icon. When you do that, go ahead and click on the icon showing above your keyboard here. So guys, when you click on that, you're going to be seeing GIF showing boldly above or below your keyboard. So just go ahead and click on that GIF. When you do that, all your GIFs are going to be showing up here, guys. So if you don't have any GIF available, here's how you can get one. Go ahead and click on the search icon, type in whatsoever you want to get. So you're going to be seeing I'm having a new GIF here I can use. I can go ahead and change this to a man, and it's going to be giving me the same GIF of men. I can change this to women, and I'm going to be getting. So this is how you can get new GIF if you don't have any GIF saved on your chat or on your WhatsApp. So as you can see, you're just going to type the reaction you want and you're going to be seeing it. So as simple as that, just click on the GIF icon showing there, and then you can go ahead and search, or you can go ahead and use the save icons, the save GIF you have already. So as for me, so you can start them. So as for me, I'm already having these few ones I've used before. See you in the next video. Stay safe.